Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and we're here with the haul from Tuesday morning, and this video is probably a week late. I have been traveling a lot and I'm going to travel again, so I've shopped, threw my bag down, and basically had to get ready to pack to go, so I haven't had a chance to put my hauls up. But I usually put everything on Instagram. I try to, not always the same day, but as soon as I can I try to get up there, and these are already on IG. DaretoBeCreative 1. Follow me there. You'll see stuff sooner than I get my video up. I'm gonna go out of town for a week to Florida. Yay. Not sure when this video will be posted, but so I may be in Florida when you see the video or not, but anyway, so you don't see me for a little bit. I'll be there for a week for work and vacation at the same time, because I'm gonna make it work and vacation at the same time. But let's see. Alright, so what do we have here? Let's start with Bow Bunny. So these are just some of the wood veneers for $2.99, and this one you can see is basically like some bird cages. 207-3199, and these are the hearts. 207-3201, and those are for my sister. And this goes along with a paper pad that I already have by Amy Tangerine. And this is $3.99, 207-5921. I love that floral in the middle with that black. This is one of the clear stamps for $1.49. If you can find these Nola Blake imprints, good price, especially if you're starting out. Even if you're not starting out, for $1.49, great deal. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 12 piece. These are little borders. It's called borders, and so you can stamp these, make various borders. And again, that is 211-4374. So then I got a couple more stamps, and then I'll show you the dies. Alright, so I had this one right here. I brought this for me so I can specifically make a card for my sister, because my sister always said, girl, I had to put on my big girl panties today. So I'm going to make a card and send it to her. So it says, time to put on your big girl panties on. I love that sentiment, because that's her sentiment. That's just my sister's sentiment. Like she always says that. 207-6331. So I thought that was so cute. And it was only one, because she doesn't do as much stamping, but I would have got it for as I do. But I'm going to make her something with that. This one is a Parisian theme. Again, these are Craft and Companion stamps. It's $3.49. 207-6345, and it says Parisian French stamps. And we finally got them. I saw everybody post them like a couple of weeks ago, and of course I'm a week or two behind posting this, but we were late getting them. I just said that was $1.49. This one's $2.99. May your birthday be filled with sparkle, and it's 207-6340. Sorry about that sheen. It's in the package. Did get both of these for $3.99, which is a shame. These are $3.99, and this is $3.49. But anyway, these are 12-piece sets. This is a happy birthday set. And it says, anyway, happy birthday. Today is all about you, celebrating style. Hope your birthday is fabulous as you are. Make a wish, girl, boy, eat cake. What a great day, or something like that. Wishing all your dreams come true. So nice font, you know, make a wish. So you can see the font. Nice script. Sorry about that glare. Oops, there we go. And it is 207-6334. So again, you can mix and match those up. And then this is the thank you set. Same price, $3.99. 207-6335. So this says things like, thank you, so sweet of you. Thanks, we appreciate you. I'm humbled and grateful. Thank you. Thanks with a grateful heart. You've been so kind. Thank you. Thanks for your kindness. My heart is still smiling. Thank you. Thank you for everything you've done. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. Sometimes the simplest things mean the most, and we appreciate you. So very nice sentiments, and again, pretty script. So excited to have those. Now May is going to be full of Sizzix because, and I did post most of them, I think, Sizzix dies. I didn't even get a ton. I mean, I did not, but I am excited to get these Crafter's Companion dies. So along with the Parisian theme, $4.99. I just thought this was cute. This girl on a bicycle. 207-6341, and you can see that one as well. And this is a 3-piece. It's the grass, the couple on the bench, and the poodle. And it's 207-6343. Now I like how they show you layering it up, because I did get the city's background ones that you can layer it up with. This was $9.99, and this is Scenic France 5x7, 207-6344. So you have on this one 5 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can use that. And I love scenes because I used to want to be an architect, so I love architecture stuff. Like I love buildings and stuff like that. So I love that. So that is that. And I'm not sure if I had this one because they had the pinwheel one, this one, and it was several of these, and I couldn't remember. I think this is the one I didn't have, so I got this one. 211-6058, and again, this is from May 19. But this is like, I got this last week, like around tax day or something. But I'm just showing it now. 211-6058. So just to let you know that the Sizzix will be out for May. That's the green sticker to let you know. This is one of the thinnest by Laura Whitlock. They had several designs and I posted them. I think it's at least 3 different card shapes. I let my grandson decide which one to get because I was like, I'm only gonna get one because they basically do the same thing. So he picked the best one actually, because this I can use a scalloped edge. I can just put a down edge and make all the other shaped ones like the top note and the scallop, or this one. So but I think he picked it because they had the cupcake. 211-6070, and it has a few sentiments in here as well, but they were all $8.99. At least 3 different designs that I remember at my store, at one of my stores had. And again, this is coming out May 19. This is a repeat, Megan Holmes. 2068401 for somebody else for $2.19. The little puffy alphabet gold. This one was my daughter's, and it's 211-6045. This is just to make some personalized. This is one of Caitlin Lizardi personalized stuff for your planner. This is called Make Today Count. I'm not sure. I think she may have this, to be honest. So I'm going to tell her to check. I'm going to check. And if she has that, we'll take it back. But it is 10 stamps and 13 dies. But that's what she had me pick up. And the same thing with this one. I'm not sure if she has this one. This is called Get It Done. And it's 211-6043. So again, you have the stamps. You have 10 stamps and 9 dies to match. You can personalize and make your own little stuff for your planner. And that was her thought. Which is so funny because my daughter's never wanted to consider herself a crafter, but we have been making stuff for her business. So I haven't been doing baby showers, just been doing a whole bunch of stuff, making t-shirts. So which I haven't shown because that's some of her stuff that she wanted about to bite her labels, which I don't, her stuff, I don't blame her. And it's some for her business, but anyway. So been busy doing other craft related stuff, but just haven't been posting those. Some on Instagram and some I'm not going to post. But anyway, this is Crafter's Companion. And these are, I don't know, they're not the Downton Abbey. No, they're the Victorian collection. First I was going to say Downton Abbey, but this is the Victorian, which is the same kind of feel as Downton Abbey. So this is $2.99, and this one is called Featherhead. Excuse me, 207-2218. And this is a 2-piece set, and this called 3-piece set, tea set 3. And it is 207 2221. And these all said March 19, but we didn't have any of these. So we, even though everybody said my store is extremely stocked, we are, but we late on getting some of these, even though I don't remember seeing anybody with them out in March, and I might have missed it or might have saw them and forgot. This is the ladies boot, 2072219. Because there's been so many dyes circulating. I think the Chinese are really hurting everybody because they have been getting stuff, been on HSN, and they come right into Tuesday morning right quick. This is happy birthday 2072222 or something, because it's like crazy how fast these dyes are coming out. Thank you 2072223. And this one is called Fan and Gloves, 2072220. So this is different than Fan and the Glove. And then I always like the window filigree frame, 2072225. It's a nice size, a little bit bigger than your finger. And yep, that is everything. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.